A child learns by experiencing. When they build, they understand. When they explore, they discover. When they fail, they grow. This is where skills are born. Dear parents, every child is born curious. Every child is born capable. But what they become depends on the environment we give them. Not just what they study, but what they experience. Because one real experience can teach more than 100 lessons.
So this is a sculpture I made in summer camp. Its title is Carving Yourself. So it's basically a man getting out of a block of stone, carving ourselves, making ourselves better, more than what you already have, removing all the bad things which you already have, and basically making you better and being what you want to be. I thought art was only for decoration, making accessories for your house, but now I realize it's a way to express your feelings through making paintings and sculptures and drawings and so much more.
The courage to try comes from being allowed to fail. The confidence to speak comes from being heard. The ability to think comes from being challenged.
Summer Camp 2026 was an amazing experience. At the first day, we enjoyed a lot doing farming work like pulling out carrots and radish, and it was a really new experience. This is my second time visiting the summer camp.
Everyone, Vaibhav, Gershan, Gladwin, Rithan Vijay, Arul Yalini, Trithanya, Lanisha, Ayush, and Smaran, welcome to the Robotics Summer Camp. I'm so thrilled you're here and ready to dive into this hands-on adventure. Over the next few days, we'll explore building line-following robots, obstacle-avoiding bots, and integrating all kinds of sensors. Get ready to be creative, ask lots of questions, and have a fantastic time.
As parents, the greatest gift we can give our children is not just education, but opportunity. Opportunity to explore, to question, to build, to become. School Summer Camp. They do, they build, they experience. From hands-on projects to real-world exploration.
I liked all the things in the summer camp. I learned many new things. I explored many things. I got new friends at last. I enjoyed making a robot very much, and I thank our sir, Prabhakaran sir, for teaching me how to make a robot. We made two robots. One is our line following robot. It follows the line. It's a line following robot, and one more is an obstacle avoiding robot. It is an obstacle avoiding robot. We made two robots. Sir sat with us. He taught everything to us. He taught us how to do soldering, how to fix what is the brain, what all we have in our brain, and ultrasonic sensors, how do we fix each and every pin. First he gave us the theory part. Next he did it in practical and showed us. He made models for us and he gave us. We saw that and we
Every moment is designed with purpose, not just to engage, but to transform.
In the summer camp, our coach Mr. Shivkumar taught us many skills. Where to apply, when to apply, how to apply in the matches. The best experience in summer camp was the outing to CSN, which was the best experience I have done. The adventure, swimming pool, and rain dance.
You know who made it.
Grand, I really enjoyed the adventure rope walk. Many of the hurdles were quite easy but also thrilling. I was able to complete all of them before anyone else.
Children don't just gain skills, they discover themselves. They become explorers, innovators, lifelong learners. And that is the foundation for any future. School, a place to learn, a place to become who they want to be.
My name is Arulyalini. I am from Omalur. My mother Antoniamma and my father Adpudharaj studied here. I am very proud to be in this school.
Summer camp, I enjoyed mug shape baking. It was very nice.
Today another day, interesting day in our summer camp. So it was a mug cake baking. We had really a special time, that too with our friends. It created a bond and that made it more sweetful, I guess. And mainly I would like to thank our resource person, Ms. Disha. I felt really comfortable with her. And yeah, I thank the whole management for arranging such a sweet arrangement. We really enjoyed it.
It was a mug cake and it was it's my first time baking too, so it was a very fun experience. We got to, though it's a very small and comforting dish, it was a good one.
I didn't know it took this many steps to just get a simple cake.
Yes.
And thank you for being very patient with us. And I'm really happy with the result.
My favorite part about the summer camp was the treasure hunt, as we had to critically think and with teamwork had to find each item. The riddles were tough, but with teamwork we were able to find each and one of the items.
canvas board painting, mandala art and flower vase. I like the most to do the flower vase because of we did with the molded clay with the shapes, fishes, bubbles and the leaves. I made a lots of art like the flower vase, the mandala art and my canvas board landscape scenery art.
So now we are at the cattle farm. So down we are like actually seeing that where the milk is taken and how it's filtered.
This is my first time looking at how a cow is being milked. I guess this is how farmers really do things here. I really haven't really experienced this before. So now I know how milking is done.
Behind this happiness, obviously, there's a management. I would like to thank the management, Ms. Nitya ma'am, Praveen sir, and all the other coaches. My core event was badminton, and I really learned everything new over here. I would like to thank my coach, Mr. Jishan sir. He really taught our professional skills. I actually recognized my talents over here. I would like to tell that MMS is a best place to overcome your fears and learn new things. Compared to last time, it was very good because I had all the old friends and new friends. It was very enjoyable. All these 10 days went as fast as lightning because it was so good. I would love to thank every member in this management for giving us such a wonderful experience.
I have learned a lot from coming these 10 days to summer camp.
MM School, a place to learn, a place to become who they want to be.